Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about coconut milk. But before I go further, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so. And also, please follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So coconut milk, we'll need coconut itself. And I'll be making use of 3 coconuts in this video. I break my coconuts. This is coconut water I drink. If you want to drink, you also drink. If you don't want to, you can let it be. So that's my coconut, and I've removed the coconut from the shell. So this is it after removing it from the shell. So the next thing is to take off the brown part of it, because make our coconut milk brown. So we need to take it out of it to have pure white milk. So I'll be rinsing after peeling the back. So I rinse my coconuts. So as you can see, I've removed the back. I'm grinding right now. I pour hot water before grinding. Hot water helps the extraction of milk to be faster and greater. If you use cold water, you might not get enough milk. So this is it. It's getting better, but I still need to grind more. So you can add more hot water into this in order for it to grind faster and better. So that is why I'm adding more water into it. And I'm adding the water because it's already going to a paste. So now I need to switch it off. So I think I have a better smooth grind now. So I'll be pouring this into my container. And I also want the coconut to cool down. It is hot. I added hot water. And the grinding process is also very hot. There's a lot of frictions in it. I'm sieving my shaft out of the milk now. So I'm trying to separate the milk and the shaft. You can see. So that's our coconut milk in the bowl, while the shaft is still in the cloth. So this is what we get. So you can see this is a very thick quality milk. You can do this without sugar because it's of quality. If you're selling, I don't know, depending on your customers and the amount you want to be selling, this might be too thick. For if your price is going to be reasonable, for example, you're buying 1 coconut and we are using 3 coconuts for extraction of milk that is lesser than 1 liter. This cup is 1 liter, so it's lesser than 1 liter. You might mix it up to make a liter and try and see how much is the coconut, how much you will be getting from your extract. But the ones they sell outside is not as thick as this. That's the sincere truth. And you can mix this with dates to sweeten it after you've mixed it with more water. But don't let it be too light, otherwise it will be senseless. So these are milk. So I'm using the container in order to hold and keep this in the freezer. So these are milk. It's of good quality, very thick. There isn't any need for sugar or sweetener in that because it's very thick. So it has every natural taste. So now what I'll be doing is also to add more water to the shaft, put it back for extract. The same process, we grind again, then we sieve, so as to have more milk. But this milk will be on a separate place because it's not going to be of the quality. But if you're selling, you can mix the two together to balance it. Instead of adding water, pure water to your coconut milk, then you can use this to mix your coconut milk to your taste. This is our second batch. If you're looking at it very well, you see that the shaft is coming out more than the other one. That one is a little bit milky than this. If you notice the way it's coming out, you see that this is more watery than the other one. Okay, while pouring it in, you can see it's more watery. It's more watery. So I'll be using this to prepare coconut rice instead of adding it to the other one. So I'm separating them. One will be for coconut rice, while one will be for drinking. I will be drinking the other one. So you can see this is very thick. The way I'm shaking it is thick. Aha. And then let's see the other one. This is watery. So the two are good for me. Thank you very much. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so. And follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you.